natin?
Hindi ko nga alam eh. Hanapin mo nga.
Guerrilla! Guerrilla! Guerrilla!
Virgilio Senangin Almario, also known by his pen name Rio Alma, was born on March 9, 1944 in San Miguel, Bulacan, Philippines. His parents are Ricardo Almario and Feliciana Sinandren. He is married to Emilina B. Soriano and has 3 kids, named Asa Victoria, Annie Rosa, and Agna Virgilio. Growing up in a rural environment, he was deeply influenced by the cultural and historical heritage of his hometown. This upbringing, combined with his love for reading, fostered his passion for Filipino literature and poetry. Almario began his educational journey at Camias Elementary School, where he finished elementary in 1955. He then attended San Miguel High School, graduating in 1959.
Napakahalaga pa rin hanggang ngayon ang paggunita sa lumipas, ang pagbabalik sa kasaysayan upang higit na mas matukoy ang magandang hinaharap.
Almario was proclaimed a National Artist for Literature, the highest recognition for artists in the Philippines. Almario became a prolific poet, essayist, translator, and editor. Some of his notable works include Makinasyon at Ilang Tula of 1968, Peregrinación of 1970, Doktrinang Anak Paulis of 1979, and Balagtasismo versus Modernismo of 1984. Almario made significant contributions to Philippine literature. He advocated for the use of Filipino as a national language and the preservation of Philippine literature tradition. Almario served as the chairman of the Commission sa Wikang Filipino and the National Commission for Culture and the Arts, promoting the use and development of the Filipino language and strengthening the country's cultural identity. Virgilio S. Almario has been dedicated to literature and advocacy for the Filipino language. His legacy continues to inspire generations of writers, educators, and cultural advocates, showcasing the power of words in shaping a nation's identity.
Sa mundo ng araw-araw, ang tinapay ay tinapay. Gaganap ba sa wika ang nilalaman ng utak? O sinitil ng salita ang lalim ng pangusap? Pitong beses mo mabubuhayin ang namatay na tulungin. Parang bulag na bulag din pagbilat sa hating gabi. Sa mundo ng araw-araw, ang tinapay ay tinapay.